1, 2, go.
Okay, so we got the eggplant all fried up. It's nice and browned, and now we're actually gonna put it together. So what we need to do is put some sauce in the bottom of the pan here, so we don't forget. So I'm gonna bring this over here. A little bit more. I like things pretty saucy, so. Saucy? I like it saucy. All right. So we're gonna put our sauce in, but before we start layering, we're gonna do a little cheese mixture. So we're gonna do some ricotta cheese. Just gonna squish that up in there.
Well, that's ricotta.
And we're gonna some mozzarella. This
about a half a pound right there.
About a half a pound. And this is Italian flat leaf parsley that I chopped up. And we're just gonna give this a 1-2 squeeze. And then I'm just gonna use my hands to kind of mix this in a little bit. Awesome sauce. All right, and then I'm gonna put a little tiny bit of Parmesan Reggiano. Just a little pinch in there.
Just a pinch, huh?
Just a pinch. You don't want a whole lot. All right, so there's that. So now we're gonna start layering. And it's really important to kind of overlap the eggplant. Helps to, when you actually take it out of the pan, it comes out real nice that way. Look at that little one, it fits perfect right there, so. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna blob a little bit of this cheese mixture around in here like so. So you kind of layer this a little bit like
lasagna.
Lasagna. Lasagna. And then we're gonna come in with some mozzarella. Right on top, and then some sauce. And I'd go probably 2 to 3 ladles full or so.
Do you use this?
All right, so the first layer, I don't use the provolone, but the second layer, I put a little bit on. A little bit there.
So I'm gonna ask you another random question. Why provolone?
Provolone gives it like a whole nother little
Salty?
pinch of flavor in there. So we have mozzarella, a little bit of ricotta, and the Parmesan Reggiano. There's that. And today, it looks like we're only gonna get 1 big pan of sauce, or excuse me, 1 big pan of eggplant Parmesan. And then you're gonna give it the shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. And then I just like to use my fingers to move it around a little bit.
Beautiful. Look at that.
Looks amazing.
Oh, look at that.
All right, and then we'll just do another little bit of this in there. Mixture. And then we're gonna cover it up with the mozzarella for the very top.
What do you do with this leftover stuff right here?
I'm gonna go ahead and freeze that and use it for either some manicotti, or I'll just use it for something else. We like to make little pizza wrap-ups and different things like that sometimes, so sometimes I'll just use that for it. So if you have extras, save it for something later. So a little mozzarella and a little tiny Parmesan on top.
Voila.
And there's the eggplant Parmesan. Enjoy.
Cheers.
Cheers, till next time. Make it a gorgeous day and eat some good food.
Yay.